Hey there, this is Dave Clayton here at Tidelands Ford Lincoln. This is exciting. I'm in the back of a truck here. This is actually a delivery truck, and I'm in the back of it. I'm gonna turn this thing around so you can see what we're looking at. Take a look at this. So this is our first Mach E. And I'm standing up on the delivery truck so you can see it good. So he's gonna back it right off of this. So you can get a good picture of it. All right, here he comes. There he is. You got to see how these doors open. So this is our first Mach E. It is beautiful. Here he comes. Just trying to keep you updated. So how did you open that door? There you go. Thank you, Harriet. I appreciate that. So you can tell this is not his first rodeo. All right, I'm gonna go over there so you can see it from the side. I'm gonna try to get off this truck safely. All right. What do y'all think? So there's a button right here you press, and when you do, it opens up. Yeah, it is, isn't it? The whole roof is glass, and you pretty much have your own tablet there. It looks like you hit that button. Yeah, let's go look at the 97 miles to the gallon I just heard. So 104 miles to the gallon city, 90 highway, so that averages 97 miles to the gallon. This is a premium, so that means it's pretty loaded. There's your price right there.
Get out of this picture, Dave. Just making sure he doesn't get charged for damage.
It's pretty awesome.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, yeah. Looks like a 51st birthday present for you, Dad.
Man. This is Brent Nyheiser right over here.
Everyone knows me.
Save bucks with Brent.
Buy with Brent.
That's
Right, Dave. I like it. If you didn't buy from Brent, you overspent.
That's right. If you didn't buy from Brent, you overspent. I like that. Hey, John. It's an exciting day here at Tidelands Ford Lincoln. We got our first Mach E in, and so I'm doing this until my phone dies. Let's look in the back seat.
I feel like that glass roof's gonna be a pain to clean.
Open the front trunk, Dave. You got the key, bro? Alright.
53. So if you're concerned about gas prices, this is a solution for you, and it's also a lot of fun. The new Mach E. Ford has solutions for people. All right, I'm gonna sign out. Everybody have an amazing day. Everybody have an amazing day. Thank you for watching this. I hope you choose to save with Dave here at Tidelands Ford Lincoln. We'll talk to you soon.